everybody. This is Laurel, and I'm here today for Miss Priss, the $1 Million Dog, to talk to you about the ingredient of the day, which is bay laurel. She wanted me to do that because my name's Laurel. But the bay laurel ingredient in our products, it helps with pain and it gives strength to your backbone. It's an antibacterial with properties that help fungal infections. It helps psoriasis, eczema. It's an antiseptic. It has vitamin A, C, iron, and calcium, as well as potassium and magnesium. So you know what today we always are trying to do is sing a song. So everybody tune in. And it's gonna go, ooh, 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 it's organic, it's organic. Ooh, 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 it's so easy, it's so easy. Ooh, 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 it's so easy to buy the cream, and you'll have a dream. So you be dreaming of getting that product and putting it on you because it's going to help your fur babies as well as you people. And your fur babies need some things just as much as the people do. So you go out there and go to www.theorganics.info. See you next time.